Planning your next outdoor adventure and worried about keeping your gear dry? In this video, we've got you covered with the best waterproof dry bags available on Amazon. Whether you're kayaking, hiking, camping, or hitting the beach, these dry bags are designed to protect your essentials from water, sand, and dirt, no matter the conditions. Let's dive in and find the perfect waterproof dry bag for your next trip. Number 1. HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag. Imagine heading out for a day of kayaking, hiking, or even a beach vacation, knowing your belongings are safe and dry with the HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag. This bag is built to give you peace of mind during all your outdoor adventures. Made from durable, wear-resistant PVC with professional seamless technology, it keeps your essentials protected from splashes, rain, and accidental submersion. Perfect for water sports like boating and paddleboarding. Just remember, it's designed to handle quick dips, not long-term underwater use. You'll appreciate how practical and comfortable it is to carry. With its adjustable shoulder straps and side handle, you can wear it as a backpack or carry it by hand without straining your arms. Plus, its transparent design makes finding your items quick and effortless, and you can even read messages on your phone through the bag. Available in 5 sizes and 11 colors, it's ideal for everything from weekend getaways to cruise ship trips. Each bag even comes with a free waterproof phone case for added protection. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and stylish dry bag, the HEETA is a must-have for your next adventure. Number 2. Earthpack Waterproof Dry Bag. Imagine gearing up for your next adventure knowing your gear will stay completely dry. That's exactly what the Earthpack Waterproof Dry Bag delivers. Rated one of the top dry bags of 2024 by Wirecutter, this bag combines durability, reliability, and affordability into one smart package. Its classic roll-top design ensures that everything inside stays protected, whether you're kayaking, hiking, or hitting the beach. Additionally, with a 5-year warranty, you can be confident that it's built to last. The bag's carrying options make it incredibly versatile. Smaller sizes like 10L and 20L come with adjustable single shoulder straps, while larger sizes up to 55L feature backpack-style straps with sternum and waist belts for added stability and comfort. You'll never feel weighed down, even on long treks. To top it off, it comes with an IPX8 certified waterproof phone case, allowing you to take photos and access your phone without worrying about water damage. Lightweight, compact, and easy to pack, the Earthpack Dry Bag is perfect for travel, outdoor sports, and everyday adventures. If you want peace of mind and reliable waterproof protection, this bag has you covered. This bag has you covered. Number 3. Pelican ExoDry Waterproof Dry Bag. Imagine heading out for a day on the water knowing your essentials are completely protected. That's exactly what the Pelican ExoDry Waterproof Dry Bag offers. Built from rugged, flexible 500D PVC, this bag is designed to withstand the bumps and scrapes of outdoor adventures while keeping your belongings safe and dry. Whether you're kayaking, fishing, camping, or rafting, it's ready to handle whatever you throw at it. Though it's important to note, it's not meant for full submersion. The 10-liter capacity is perfect for carrying all your daily essentials without feeling bulky, and the compact dimensions make it easy to manage. What sets this bag apart is its thoughtful design. The removable single shoulder strap allows you to carry it comfortably while keeping your hands free for other gear, and integrated loops let you attach carabiners or extra equipment effortlessly. The reflective logo adds a practical safety feature, improving visibility during low light conditions. Lightweight, durable, and designed for convenience, the Pelican Exor Waterproof Dry Bag is an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable, hands-free protection for their gear on every outdoor adventure. Number 4. Libingying Waterproof Dry Bag. If you're planning outdoor adventures, water sports, or even a simple beach day, the Libingying Waterproof Dry Bag is designed to keep your gear completely safe and dry. Made from high-quality PVC and reinforced 500D mesh, this bag is built for durability and long-lasting protection. Every seam is thermo-welded to ensure that water, sand, dust, and dirt stay out, giving you peace of mind no matter where you take it. With an IP66 waterproof rating, it's perfect for protecting your phone, camera, clothes, snacks, and important documents, even in quick submersions. The frosted, transparent design is a clever touch, letting you quickly see what's inside without rummaging through the bag, which makes packing and finding your items effortless. Carrying it is just as convenient. The adjustable and retractable straps allow you to wear it by hand or sling it over one shoulder, and the upgraded palm buckles and D-rings are stronger than traditional hardware, making it reliable for heavy loads. Number 5. Lamicall Waterproof Dry Bag. If you love spending time outdoors, the Lamicall 5L Waterproof Dry Bag is the ultimate companion for keeping your gear safe and dry. Crafted from heavy-duty 500D PVC fabric, this bag offers superior protection against rain, snow, sand, and dust, making it perfect for kayaking, hiking, beach trips, or any adventure where your essentials need to stay dry. While it's not meant for full submersion, it's highly water resistant and keeps your phone, camera, clothes, snacks, and documents secure no matter the weather. Durability is another highlight. The bag is scratch resistant, reinforced with precision stitching, and equipped with heavy-duty buckles and corrosion-resistant zippers so it can handle rough handling without compromising on convenience. The adjustable shoulder strap makes it comfortable to carry whether over one shoulder or crossbody, and it's easy to fold for compact storage. A thoughtful bonus is the included IPX8 waterproof phone pouch, which keeps your phone fully protected and functional in wet conditions.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.